Hello, how are you? I hope that your weekend is good. Today, I'm sharing something I think maybe some of you don't know that I have. So, of course, you've seen that I'm here on YouTube. Great. Here I teach different topics, sometimes vlog. I tend to post something once a week. Tends to be once a week, Sundays or Mondays, either night. Did you know that Instagram I have two? The name is the same, ASLMeredith. So on Instagram too. You can find me there. I share a little bit different from here. Here on YouTube, the videos can be short or long, doesn't matter. On Instagram, the videos are short. The feed tends to be short videos that teach something specific. And then the stories, the Instagram stories, I tend to just sign. I tell you a story, something describing my weekend or what I did. And that people like because it's good receptive practice, meaning I just, think about my life and sign something, but then you can watch and try to understand. Plus, I have, well, they're not closed captions, they're open captions, subtitles. So I sign, and then little in the bottom in text or sometimes above, little text has the English. So you can watch and try to understand, and then check the English where you write wrong, or maybe you learned a new word, a new sign. So that's the stories. And then third, Instagram every Friday, I post Fingerspelling Friday challenge. That means I fingerspell, tends to be 3 words, sometimes a name, sometimes words. It really varies. The topics are really diverse. I'll fingerspell those 3, sometimes 4 or 5. I fingerspell first time fast, normal speed. The second time I take that first video and put it at half speed. So the fingers still blend together but slower. And the third is a beginner pace, meaning it's more clear. The hand shapes are clearly articulated and slowly. Many times there's a fourth part where I describe those words, why I picked them, where the names are from, and if the words have a sign, I'll teach the sign. So anyway, if you didn't know that on Instagram, you can find me and we can connect. Here, I'm going to show you an example of a Fingerspelling Friday challenge. Are you ready? Well, that was Fingerspelling Friday. If you want to join on Instagram and see more, every Friday I have different names and words. Find me there on Instagram and we can connect. I'll see you there.